Hey guys, Marcus here from ProPhysio Plus. I'm an allied health assistant and a massage therapist here, and today I want to talk to you about breathing through your diaphragm. Now, a lot of people, they don't think about something as simple as breathing because we don't really need to. It's just an automatic thing that we do. But if you do it properly, you can reap a lot of benefits. So there are two techniques that I'm going to go through today to help you change the way that you breathe. Let's start with 90-90 breathing. So get down on the floor, however best you can. If you need to take one knee and get down, you can do that. And then what we want to do is have our knees and our hips at 90 degrees. So what does that look like? Here, in this position, my knees at 90. And now my hips are at 90 as well. So you want to be in this 90-90 position. Have your hips hip width apart. Don't have them really wide or really close together. Just here. And again, you want to have your back flat on the ground. So you want to have your back flat on the ground. So what that means is if I tilt my pelvis forward, there is a big curve here in my spine. And if I go the other way, then I'm off the ground. So you want to just be in the middle there where your back's flat on the ground. And we'll have our hands on our rib cage so that you can feel the movement. And the first thing we're going to do is breathe in through our nose and try to expand our diaphragm and fill our tummies with air. So I'll go through that now. They make straight out. And as you can see there, if I go slowly, you breathe in and you see the rise, and then when you breathe out, make sure you're breathing out through your mouth and make it audibly so that you actually blow, because you can then control how quickly you exhale, and then go through 5 cycles of that. So
you just like it up and out real where you're all looking at the kind living like this that right. They will wake up I like that somewhere. All working my them that they I've been literally fighting about it. And you got like 3,000 people top 3 humans. That man trying same day though.
And then you can repeat that as many times throughout the day as you like. The more you do it, the more it will become a habit and you'll start to retrain your breathing. So with getting 360 degrees expansion of the rib cage, you can do it in 2 positions. Now the first one, if you can't get down on the floor, just sit down. Then you have your chest against your thighs. Now, in this position, it will be hard to expand your diaphragm, so we're trying to achieve posterior or our rib cage expanding that way. So you try to breathe in. And hopefully you can see there, it will be very subtle, but my rib cage should be lifting up a little that way.
If we're going to be able to have it's not on the heavy anything. We laid it around, but so I just ain't doing it on 40 days to there, and if we need to do.
Okay, and the next one, if you have the mobility, we can get down on the ground and we'll go into child's pose. With our hands by our sides, so in this position here. When we're in that position of our chest against our thighs, it will be very hard at the start to get, you'll feel like you can't breathe because this is blocked. That's why we really want to focus on going slowly in through our nose, trying to just expand the back of our rib cage, and then out through your mouth audibly again. So you go So now I'll demonstrate in that position. So you're down here.
Little concepts out. Anything? Alright. I'll think you what. And all of them. We like really wild. With the lids.
So hopefully you can see will be subtle, but hopefully you can see that my rib cage is expanding backwards posteriorly. There you have it, guys. Another couple of exercises for you to practice breathing through your diaphragm. Like and subscribe to our channel to get more great tips and info.